If you're feeling a little overwhelmed right now in the run-up to Christmas or in the run-up to the holidays, then this 5-minute festive bathroom reset is for you. We're not scrubbing out the tub, just a few small tasks to make this place feel fresh, festive, welcoming for you and your guests. And because self-care is so important right now, I'm going to share with you a little bathroom-themed self-care mission to treat you. So if you're ready for our 5-minute festive bathroom reset, let's dive in. Diane and Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. I am your online motivational coach. So if you are ready, if you want to simplify and thrive along with me, make sure to subscribe. Let's get straight into our 5-minute bathroom reset. And the first thing that we're going to do, you know, the bathroom mirror, just give it a quick scoosh, scoosh, clean it off, because honestly, that's the first thing that you notice when you come into the bathroom. And then from there, we'll move straight on to the sink. And once again, a quick scoosh, scoosh. We're just wiping off the taps, the faucet, wiping out the inside, because it really makes such a difference. Giving the outside a wee wipe down too. There, honestly, it takes seconds. Next up, we are going to change over the hand towels. So let's get these ones straight in the washing basket. And maybe you've even got some nice fluffy festive towels that you can put out. These ones actually came from Mum's house. Aren't they cute? Little reindeer on them. Voila. And then next up, we're going to do a quick pick up and put away. Have you got your morning coffee mug in there? Let's just get everything put back in the cupboard or back where it belongs. We're just clearing off the flat surfaces, and you can also give those a quick wipe down on the way. And don't forget to empty the bin, especially if you've got an open bin. Nobody wants to see that. Get the bin emptied, give it a quick rinse out. And I promised you that in this 5-minute bathroom reset, you would get a little bit of festive self-care. I would like you to either take a candlelit shower. I have a lot of real candles going on here in Denmark for our hygge. I also use the LED candles, the ones from IKEA on timers. Those are great. Maybe you've got some scented body lotion in vanilla, cinnamon, something warming. At the end of a long working day, why don't you fill up the bath and have a bubble bath? When was the last time you did that? And if you like multitasking, why don't you put a deep conditioning treatment in your hair while you do the 5-minute reset? And as always, if you like the body doubling videos, that's where I work along with you. I talk you through it. I've got a whole playlist for the bathroom and all the other Flylady zones in your house. So as I said, make sure to subscribe. And I hope I've motivated you today and shown you that even if the whole house feels overwhelming, just by focusing on one area, a couple of small tasks, it can really make a big difference. And the same goes for the self-care. It doesn't need to take hours, just a few minutes for you. And I'm going to recharge my batteries. I'm going to have some Christmas tea in my little Danish Christmas mug. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you, and I shall see you very soon with the rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.